How to send money to PayPal account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to send money to PayPal account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for paypal.com. You will be led to the official webpage of PayPal. Make sure you are logged in, and if not, then go ahead and log yourself in. Once logged in, you will be led to the official homepage of PayPal. You will see the option for send on the top. Tap on that. Now, choose whom you want to pay. You have to enter their name, PayPal username, email, or mobile number. Once you have entered these details, enter the amount. Enter the amount of money you want to send and choose a currency. Make it personal by adding a note, animations, and more. And finally, review your transaction details and choose the send button. Your secure payment will then arrive in seconds. So, this is how you can send money to PayPal account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.